Hi, in today's session, RD with the students, I, Dr. Gayatri Dubey, Regional Director and Global Chief Operating Officer in the EduMall Gandhinagar, Gujarat, is here with you all, my dear students. Today I am going to discuss about the importance of IELTS preparation in the EduMall, thought of the day, important historical dates, word of the day, why the students go to Ireland for higher education, and one motivational story with its moral. Let's see what is the importance of IELTS preparation in the EduMall. IELTS, the full form is International English Language Testing System, is a globally recognized English proficiency test required for study, work, and migration abroad, especially in the countries like UK, Ireland, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and Europe. What is the eligibility for appearing in this test? Generally, you have to be at least 16 plus old and have a valid passport or a government issued ID. The types of test for IELTS. So IELTS, there are two types of test, IELTS Academic and IELTS General Training. IELTS Academic is for higher education, that is if you are going for your undergraduation, post-graduation or for PhD, whereas IELTS Training, General Training is for work experience and migration. What is the format of this test? Generally, listening and speaking sections are same for both academic and general training. What is the type of delivery of this test? So, test can be taken as paper based or computer delivered with similar content but slight format variations, that is time for transferring answers, etc. What is the IELTS test format? So, for IELTS test format, the total duration is 2 hours 45 minutes. We have got 4 modules: listening, reading, writing and speaking. For listening, the test is completed in 30 minutes, but you have to transfer your answers to the answer sheet, so 10 minutes extra time is given to you. That means total 40 minutes are required for completing the listening. In this listening module test, you have 4 sections with 40 questions. Reading, there are 3 sections for academic as well as for general training. And for both, 1 hour is required for completion of the exam. But you will not get any extra time for transferring your answers in the reading module. You have to write the answers in the answer sheet at the same time while you are solving the answers. Writing, it is completed in 60 minutes, that is 1 hour. There are 2 tasks, task 1 and task 2. Task 1 is the report writing or letter writing for general training, and task 2 is essay, which is same for both academic as well as general training. The task 1 is to be completed in 20 minutes, whereas task 2 should be completed in 40 minutes. So, completion of both the tasks will require 60 minutes, that is 1 hour. Speaking, it is on the other day and it is completed in 11 to 14 minutes. Face-to-face interview is there, and the most important is that it is your choice to take the time slot, whether you want in the morning, in the afternoon or in the evening. That is your choice to take the test. So, let's see IELTS band score. So, the IELTS band scored from 0 to 9 band. Most of the universities require 6 to 7.5 band. Each section is scored individually, and then you get your overall band. The sample result is shown to you on my right hand side. Why IELTS is important? IELTS is important because it is accepted by 11,000 plus institutions worldwide, mandatory for study visa and PR. After giving the exam, you improve your English communication skills, and this result is valid for 2 years. IELTS preparation tips. What you should do at the time of preparing for IELTS exam. Practice listening with accents of UK and Australia. Improve reading speed, vocabulary. Write structured essays. Example, introduction, body and conclusion. Practice speaking daily to build fluency and confidence. If you know the basic outline of the IELTS, that is overview of the IELTS, it becomes easy for you for preparing for your IELTS exam. Thus, your future starts here in the EduMall for clearing your IELTS exam. Come and join the Global Study Abroad for your destination or goal. Thought of the day. Today's thought is the best preparation for tomorrow is doing your best today. So today's thought, as it is said, the best preparation for tomorrow is doing your best today, reminds us that our current efforts shape our future, and focusing on present action, whether through hard work, kindness or learning, builds a better tomorrow. So start doing your work from today, preparation from today, and you will have your best tomorrow. Historical important date, that is 13th December. Today is 13th December. Let us see why this date is important. So on 13th December 2001, Indian Parliament was attacked. 5 terrorists attacked India's parliament, resulting in casualties and heightened India-Pakistan tensions, a defining movement in Indian security history. On 13th December 1921, Banaras Hindu University inauguration took place. The opening of BHU, a major center of learning by the Prince of Wales, marked a significant step in the Indian education. On 13th December 1991, Justice M.H. Kania became the 23rd Chief Justice of India. On 13th December 1925, Shri L.C. Jain, freedom fighter and economist, was born. Let us see the word of the day, and today's word is vibrant. The meaning of the word is full of energy and life, bright and striking. Synonyms: lively, energetic, bright, vivid, spirited and animated. Antonym: dull, lifeless, drab, faded, pale, colorless, quite, muted. Let's see the origin of this word. Its origin traces back to Latin vibrare, meaning to shake or move to and fro, giving us its sense of pulsing energia via the present participle vibrans, first appearing in English in the late 1500s and early 1600s. Let's see the one sentence for this word, that is vibrant. The classroom was a vibrant space filled with colorful projects. So today you have learned one more word, and the word is vibrant. Use this word for your day-to-day communication and help to improve your vocabulary. Also help others to improve their vocabulary with these words. Why students go to Ireland for higher education? Students go to higher education to Ireland because of certain benefits. Let us see one by one. Students go to Ireland for higher education due to its world-class English-speaking academic environment, globally recognized degrees, strong focus on research and innovation, especially in tech, pharma, industry-linked courses, vibrant culture, safe and friendly atmosphere, favorable post-study work options, and relative affordability compared to other English-speaking nations, all supported by excellent career prospects in booming sectors like IT, pharma, and finance. Let us see from the point of view of academic and career advantages. The first is globally recognized degrees. Irish universities consistently rank high globally, offering qualifications valued worldwide. Industry-linked education. Courses are often designed with industry partners providing practical, real-world skills, especially in IT, pharma, and finance. Research and innovation. Strong research focus, particularly in tech, science, business analytics, and life sciences, with institutions like Trinity College Dublin and UCD leading. Strong job market. High demand for graduates in Ireland's thriving sectors, that is tech, pharma, finance, healthcare, and excellent post-study work opportunities. Lifestyle and environment. English speaking and easy cultural transition for many international students. Safety and friendly. Voted one of the world's friendliest and most peaceful countries, offering a welcoming atmosphere. Rich culture and history, a blend of modern cities and beautiful landscapes, providing a unique student experience. Let's see the practical benefits. Shorter programs. Master's degrees are often completed in 1 year, saving time and tuition. Gateway to Europe. Easy travel and exposure to diverse European cultures. Supported system. Strong support for international students and flexible policies for academic gaps. So, global study abroad in the EduMall, Gandhinagar, helps the student to build their career and take them to their destination, that is Ireland. Come and join the mission, join the classes, and go to your destination, that is Ireland. Motivational story. Today's motivational story is about the wise old man and the jokes. A village faced many troubles and people constantly sought advice from a wise old man, but many failed to understand or apply his guidance, returning with the same issues. Frustrated but calm, the wise man decided to teach them a lesson differently. He told a simple joke. Initially, people laughed. When he repeated the joke, few smiled, but the third time no one laughed, and some glared at him. The wise man then asked, "If you can't laugh at the same joke repeatedly, why do you keep crying over the same problems?" The villagers understood that dwelling on problems endlessly wastes time and energy. They realized they needed to solve their issues rather than just re-experiencing the pain. So, let's see what is the moral of this story. The moral of the story states that you are not going to get anywhere if you keep complaining about the same problem, but do nothing to fix it. Don't waste your time in complaining, expecting other people to continue to react to your complaints. Instead, take action to make a change. So, whenever there are situations, try to solve those problems. Take initiative to do it instead of looking at the others that they should also follow you in complaining should be stopped. Try to create positive environment that will help in flourishing the organization, society, and everybody will become positive with your action. So, give time to the EduMall and the EduMall will change your time. Remember, www.theedumall.com. Our address 229 The EduMall, Suresh Solitaire Building, Kudasan, Gandhinagar, Gujarat. The EduMall, discover, learn and succeed, transforming education. Till the next video, my farewell to you. We will meet tomorrow at the same time. Till then, bye-bye.